Hello, everyone. In the wildest corners of our planet, nature is constantly writing stories we're never supposed to see. But every once in a while, the camera is in the right place, at the perfect second, capturing a moment so rare, it feels almost impossible. Tourists hesitate to drive on because this is something you don't see every day. A storm made this waterfall in India flow horizontally.
वो बादल नहीं, वो पानी का ये है, पानी है, वो पानी का ये है, हाँ। आगे मत बच्चे हैं ना, नहीं मैं
Floodwaters always reveal the areas where communities must build stronger and more durable structures. Kamchatka's Tolbachik volcano turned the ground into a fiery breath, and right in front of the tourists, radiant streams of molten lava spilled out instead of the usual clouds of ash. A display like this is something people witness only once in their lives. Sparks and flames illuminated the sky during a heavy downpour. This astonishing sight occurred in Mount Pleasant, USA, on August 11, 2025, when lightning hit a power line and triggered outages across multiple neighborhoods.
Welcome guys, hello, this is
Molten metal heated to 1,000 degrees Celsius collides with icy cold water, instantly transforming it into a towering cloud of steam. Picture an ordinary morning in Sydney. Beachgoers wander onto the shore and instantly freeze in disbelief. Standing before them is a bizarre creature. Its skin resembles a shark's, yet its mouth looks strangely human. Is it a natural mutation or some cryptic signal from the depths? No one has an answer.
What's the bed, guys? Focus on the bed!
Go, birdie, go, birdie, go! You survived!
Check this out. We just hiked like 1.5 miles, 2 miles, a couple hundred feet in elevation to come find this. This is called the octopus tree. It's currently suspended above this trail, growing off of a log that's falling apart. And eventually this log will be completely gone, but its roots have attached themselves to the bottom of this other log and down into the ground. So hopefully one day when this log falls apart, this thing will stay standing straight up in midair and others can come and check it out.
1/5 of Alaska's Tracy Arm Fjord remains sealed in ice, and it's precisely in landscapes like these where the most breathtaking natural scenes take shape.
Oh, also Wahnsinn.
Yeah.
Ich kann doch gleich zurück, denke ich mal.
Oh.
Dann haben wir hinterher.
It's rolling, it's rolling! I got it! Oh!
Tell me you're filming! I got it.
It's still turning, look! It's going!
The diver narrowly escaped the path of a Bride's whale, which was merely attempting to feed. This 20-ton giant surged directly toward him, with its jaws completely open. Only the diver's lightning-fast reactions prevented him from ending up inside its mouth. Due to this rare deformity, the females regard him as the most impressive stag in the entire forest. And interestingly, his antlers are hollow, which means his majestic crown isn't nearly as heavy as it appears. In August 2017, intense rainfall struck a small Austrian village, and the sudden flash flood swept in while several locals were still seated outside at a cafe.
Geht's weg, da geht's weg.
The Indian Ocean's Christmas Island is truly extraordinary. Its enormous population of red crabs, the largest on the planet, covers the island each year, turning its forests and roads into a moving crimson river. It might resemble an apocalyptic scene, but in reality, it's simply a massive sandstorm sweeping through New Mexico. The couple was out on the Colorado River Reservoir when they unexpectedly witnessed an extraordinary display, full credit to the camera operator who managed to record the exact moment it occurred.
Info Pamekasan saat ini airnya menjadi merah seperti ini di Sungai Kelampar, layaknya seperti anggur merah tuh. Dan ini sudah nyampe di kota ya Pamekasan, alirannya dari Dam Kelampar, dan sampai saat ini belum.
Капец это. Паутина, прикинь. Да. Видели когда-нибудь такое?
It's unsettling to imagine how many spiders were needed to weave a web of that size.
Ой, сколько труда.
On October 20th, 2021, Japan's Mount Oso erupted, releasing a massive blast. The explosion was so intense that ash, gas, and debris traveled to locations almost a full kilometer away from the crater.
Oh, right here?
Despite their sudden appearances, manatees pose no threat to people and are known for being extremely gentle.
Somehow we hold on to that one. Holy
Tsunamis frequently come in the wake of earthquakes in Japan. The one in 2011 was particularly devastating, with waves in certain regions rising to nearly 7 meters.
いやここは避難場所だから。うわうわうわよく。あやばいあの人。よくこうすげえ水で埋まった。あ船流された。車うわ人が逃げてます。やべえあの人。ほんと飲まれてたぞ。間に合うね。船が倒れて。危ね。マジすごい。いない。津波でもううちの方。うちの下のイルカハウスとかもすごいからさ。あの人マジ危なかったっすよ。嘘。ちょっとかけ直すわ。
By itself, the foam isn't harmful, although everything depends on how clean the surrounding water is. You definitely shouldn't swim in it, but it's absolutely worth observing from a safe and comfortable distance. It truly is a remarkable sight. In China, a resident captured footage of an enormous mud flow surging into a river, a devastating event for any homes that stood in its path.
German industrial city. The RAF Zeeland bombing rates were suicide, but General Ira Aker of the 8th Army Air Force said they had to be done to assure accuracy.
Ahora mismo está pasando la LP2 a la altura de Camino Pastelero.
Living close to a volcano always carries significant danger. Still, the locals have adapted to it. Their properties are insured, and they've learned how to evacuate within minutes when needed.
I'm trying to do this.
Mel,
I'm not doing that right now because I'm doing this.
that's nothing compared to what's right behind you.
Yeah.
Ay, 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 ay. Mira, 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 mira. Mira, mira, mira. Mira el grande, mira el grande. Mira el grande. Mira el grande.
When viewed safely from the coastline, drifting ice becomes one of the most spectacular natural displays you can witness. Someone managed to film an extraordinary moment. Tadpoles concealed inside their leaf nest. Ants attempt to break in, but the thick walls protect the tiny creatures. And if the nest is ever breached, the tadpoles instantly dive into the water to save themselves.
Y van a caer al agua y así se escapan. Porque ya estos están bien desarrollados. Ve que ya tienen colita. Ve las hormigas ahí tratando de sacarlos.
Wow.
It's genuinely disturbing to see a mudslide approaching while you're looking out from the window of your own home.
¿Viste eso? Cayó ahí.
Cayó un rayo en la alberca. Todos mueren. Pues tienen que sacarlo.
Sí, por eso nos sacaron a todos.
No structure can withstand the force of nature when a violent landslide begins to move.
活了30多年，没见过这种云呐。这是什么云？有知道的吗？
This marine creature carries a stunningly elegant name, the Venus girdle. With its long, ribbon-like form, this comb jelly drifts through the water with such smooth, flowing motion that it almost appears to be dancing beneath the surface. During earthquakes, libraries in Japan stop being the peaceful, silent havens they usually are.
la strada.
Wah! Siapa wah? Ah! Wah!